Hello, Kelp the Kayak Kid here. Today is going to be a mellow San Diego Bay day. I'll be sharing with you guys a little about my fishing strategies. We will be targeting bass, and I heard the Cuda are back in the bay.
Oh, I got a fish, you see. I caught fish.
How long was that lure out?
A couple seconds. Lost.
Okay. Fish on.
Oh, dude, that's crazy. You're trying to tie it up with me already. Shad's on, guys. What's it feel like? A spotty?
Yep, it does.
I'm shocked. Yeah, it's flabbergasted.
And just like that, it's a spotted bay bass. This is what we're seeing here.
Oh, fish on! Woo!
Oh, it's Mackie.
Oh. That's crazy, bro. I got a Cuda without trying to. Fish on.
Really?
Yeah, fish on. Another Cuda.
Oh my gosh, it is like baby Cuda.
Central. Hey guys, after that epic school of Cudas, we're finally gonna fish the pylons. I already have 5 fish on the boat somehow. 3 Cudas and 2 mackerel. Let's see what else we can get.
My hand smell. My hand smell bad.
Oh, fish on, guys. It feels like another Cuda.
Really?
Oh no, this is a bass.
Oh, it's a little kelpie.
Yeah, first kelp bass of the morning. Second bass. Not a bad little kelp bass. Because 2 more fish to the bass trifecta. Fish on!
Nice, Colby.
Bird!
Oh, you're 2/3 of the way.
And I just need the easiest one now, too.
Yep.
Look at this cool chin coloration. This is gonna be my spot. Yes!
Yeah.
Bass trifecta! Let's go! The baby, all 3
You did the baby trifecta.
all 3 were so small. Look at this, guys. All 3 bass.
It's 6:40 and Colby's completed the bass trifecta.
Good morning, guys. What's up? It's 6:47 in the morning, and it's time to eat a donut. Clearly, 8 fish equals donut. I again got a Boston cream. Nice. Fish on, guys. Don't stress. Another fish. This is gonna be fish number 11. Woo! Not a bad fighter, this one. I bet it's another Cuda because that's what we're on right now. Ooh, a spotty. Like, look at this. That's not a bad spotty.
Double max.
Double max!
What, you just trying to up your fish count on me?
Yeah. Ignore the fact that I almost snagged again, and I'm probably pulling up some sort of shell or something like that.
Oh,
what the heck?
Red! You got an octopus.
Get the guys. I got my first octopus. Oh, it's the same one that you got too, Dad. The like the blue or something. On the jigpara, guys. Look at this. Nice. Woo, spotty. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna teach you about my setup. Today I've got the Zebra jigpara. It's 30 grams and it works like a charm. 12 fish already today. I've got the SLX reel. Ignore my dad catching a fish over there. My SLX reel and my Ghost duckett rod. This is an amazing combo for both jigging, if you want swim baits, or even cut bait if you want to. This rod is so sensitive and a great way to feel what's happening to your lure. Can you guys hear that? Very faint but important sound. The sound of breakfast, guys. You know what that means? It's breakfast time. Again, we have a burrito.
Is that a good hit?
Yeah, that was a good hit. Wish I was recording for it. Oh, I am. I just realized that I've been recording for ages. Woo, spotty.
Fish on.
Aw, this could be 40. Ah, Slimer.
Slimer for 40.
Starts with Slimer, then Slimer.